Hello again. So here these are the situations we may face in different courses. So these are the basic customization you can do with the courses, actually according to the course's need. So one course, for example, one course may have 5 assignments, another course may have 10 assignments. So you can customize your tabulation according to the course's needs. So the basic customizations are: increase, one course may have more students, one course may have less students. So we can increase the number of students, we can decrease the number of students, we can increase or decrease the number of assignments. Same for, we can increase or decrease the number of projects or presentations. We can change the overall percentages, or we can change the percentages for assignment, project and presentation. One particular course may not have project or may not have quizzes. So I will demonstrate how to customize your tabulation according to these basic needs. So here we have already worked with this pages. So at first comes increase number of students. So here I have 2 students. So in case if I have 3 students or more than 2 students, what I will do? So I will just simply highlight the row, then just put your cursor here. When it turns to a plus, then hold your mouse and drag down. So see, it is increasing my number of students. So here you can see the marks are coming sequentially. It is marks are sequential, so don't bother about that one. So just erase the extra marks from here like this. So this is how we can increase the number of students. And don't erase these columns where we are getting the formulas. So if you delete this column, marks of this column, the formula will be deleted and this marks will not come automatically. Okay, so don't do anything, or don't try to edit these columns, the column who are holding any kind of formula. So just be careful in case of deleting. So here same thing will happen for the project. Just now increase number of project. When it turns to plus, then drag down. Okay, then delete these marks. I think it's easy for you to do that. Now what will happen if I have less students? So it's very easy. Just suppose I have only 2 students, so I'm going to delete all these things. Just highlight all these things and press delete from the keyboard. Same thing for the project, delete for the keyboard. Yes. Now, so we have completed increase number of students, decrease number of students. Now another situation may arise: number of assignments may increase or the number of assignment may decrease. So at first we will work with the increased one. Number of assignments, suppose here I have 4 assignments. Now I need to increase my assignment to 5. So how I will do that? Let's see. So this is let's write A5 for the marks of, and here you can see there is no space between there is no space for getting the grade of assignment number 5. So we have to increase or include or insert another column here. So just press insert, another column will be added like this. Now this column, L column, this is the L column. L column will hold the marks of assignment in 5th assignment. So suppose Ripon is getting 88 in the 5th assignment and Mubarak is getting 52 in the 5th assignment C, but the grades are not coming. Why? Because we have not put yet any formula. Now just copy this A and paste it here and drag down. So it is done. Now one thing, I have to change the formula. See, if you click on this formula is getting the marks for from only 4 assignments, so he is omitting the 5th one, so I have to include this 5th one. So, and also I have to change the percentages. I have to change the suppose I want to fix these percentages here. I have to check, I have to give this percentage. Assignment 1 carries 25%, assignment 2 carries 25%, assignment 3 carries 10%, assignment 4 carries 20%, assignment 5 carries 20%, in total 100%. So according to this, I am going to this is fully customizable. You can customize, or you can use your own percentages for your assignments. So here I am going to change the formula. So it is up to J. Now I have to add L. This is coming from L5. See, L5 is highlighted into A5 is 0.2. Now I have to change. Assignment 1 is 25%, done. Assignment 2 is coming from F column, is 25%, done. Assignment 3 is 10%, so we have to make it 0.1. Assignment 4 is 20%, we have to make it 0.2, and assignment 3 is 20%. That's done. Now in total 100%. Then it is, this formula is only changed for first student, not for the second student. So what I have to do, whatever change happens, I have to drag down. Now this formula applicable for both students. If you have more students, then just drag down to your end, and grade will come automatically. Same thing, I think if you want, you can do it here. Now I will demonstrate how to decrease the number of elements. So here I have 4 presentation, but I want to make it 3 presentation. So how I will do that? I will just simply erase the presentation from here. Don't afraid about this reference, because it is not getting the reference of the 4th presentation that I have just now deleted. Now I have to modify this formula from the bracket. So I have only 3, and according to this this one, P1, that means the presentation 1 is carrying 45%, 0.45. Presentation 2 is also carrying 45%, that means 0.45, and presentation 3 is carrying 10%. So that's all. So this see, this formula is only applicable for the first student, not for the second one. So I have to drag down. Now it is applicable for both. Now we have completed, we are well known about how to increase the number of assignments, or how to decrease the number of assignments, or how to increase the project. Same thing will applicable for the increasing or decreasing method is same for assignment, project, presentation, quiz, and for all. Now our next is change overall percentages. Let's see. So overall percentage is here on the sheet 1. In this total, under the total score, you can see here 20%, 20%, and all these things. So in that case, just let me auto sum. I want to use the auto sum. Now it is 20%. Now I want to change it. Suppose I want to allocate 15% for first term, 25% for midterm, 5% for quiz, 5% for attendance. Assignment, term paper, project presentation is 20%, and final is 30%. Now I have to change this total score formula according to my need. So here first term is coming from D. First term carries 15%, that's why 0.15. Midterm 25%, we have to use 0.25. Final carry is 30%, that's why 0.3. Then this is N is for attendance, so it remains same. P is for assignment, presentation, project, this carries 20%, 0.2. And at last the quiz 5%, so it remains same, just press enter. So the formula is only changed for the first student, not for the second student, so I have to drag down. See, now this formula is applicable for both. So if you have more students, so you have to drag down to your end. Now change the percentage for assignment, project, presentation. So here you can change the percentage for project, assignment. So if you project, assignment and presentation, so here you can see project allocates 30%, that is from E, coming from E. Then presentation is 30% and assignment is 40%. So I can customize it. I can make project is 50%, presentation is 25%, then assignment is 25%, according to courses need. So now I have to drag down for applicable for both student. So this is how you have to change the project, presentation and assignment percentages. Now I'm going to demonstrate if a course does not have any project. That you will see